Okay, so we've made it to one of my new favorite filming spots. Beautiful day. There's a Lambo over there. I don't know whose that is. Anyways, I really like this building. I think it looks cool. The car's actually on right now, but I'm gonna set you guys up on this tripod, do some revs, let you guys listen to it. It is so quiet. And then there's a nice drive, like long, very vacant road, and I'll do some flybys with it. You guys will be able to hear, and I'll do some stock pulls, and then I'll do also some the pulls with the APEXi, and then on the next video I'll just do pure APEXi. So what this video is I wanted to do the comparison of stock Tsunami exhaust versus the APEXi, so that you guys can hear a real difference versus just watching one video that's pure sound, which I will do, but you can hear a difference. So let me rev it up a couple times. So that's 100% stock. That's it. That's what that sounds like. Now I'm gonna jump in the car real quick and we're gonna do some flybys and I'll do the comparison there. So let's jump in the car. I just had to film this. This is awesome. I mean, they're practically the same car, right? Look at that. Woo! The seats on this is a Huracan Evo. That is crazy. So I hope you guys enjoyed the sound clip of those two. But man, that is so funny. What an awesome car to see this thing here. Look at that. Same, right? Same, sounds same, looks same. Okay, so this is gonna be a roll onto the highway here, and all the windows are down, and I'll just go all the way to the top a second, and this is a stock exhaust. All right, a little bit more. Okay, back right where we are, 4 or 5 hours later, had to do the install. A little bit smoky. It's because the exhaust interior is breaking down. It's normal. It's not like catch on fire or anything. It happens when you put new exhaust in. But you can see a little bit of smoke. It has a smell to it. That being said, I'm gonna do the same position where we just were a few hours ago, and we're gonna do some full revs. You guys will be able to hear the difference of these. I'll go do some flybys, and then on the next video, like I said, we'll just do pure good sound. I'm excited. So let's go ahead and I'll rev it up right now. doing another merging power with the new exhaust. What a great day, hot day. So the exhaust is broken, it's not smoking anymore. I think also it could have been because of the powder coating too. Just whatever it was, I think it could have been that, but that exhaust is pretty old. Who knows what was in there? How long is APEXi? It's been in a box, I'm sure it's fine. But that being said, I love it. The sound is really good. It says that it picks up, I didn't really say anything about power, but it does pick up more at mid-range. No doubt about it. The 3,000 to 5,000 RPM has a nice feeling to it. It's easier to land lift and stay in lift, absolutely. It does feel more peppy. I think the longer that I drive it, the more peppy it will feel. But it does, you can feel the butt dyno, you can definitely feel. As for horsepower, I don't know. The TRD one, they said like 12 to 14 horsepower, I think it was. And they claim to be better than the TRD. So if that's the case, then maybe we get like 15 horsepower. I don't think so. That being said though, I really like the sound of it. It feels good. No droning on the highway, but it sounds really, really good. I like it. I think once I get the intake from my website, MITCHDORE.com, swing by there. Once I get that intake on there, I think it'll make really, really fun feeling. And then also I can feel that the power kind of moves forward to the car and then back with the car due to it being on the stock suspension. So once I install the springs, it'll actually put power down to the ground better and it won't have as much body roll and the center of gravity will be lower on the car. So I'm excited, but so far I love this car. It's a great car, beautiful exhaust. Highly recommend the APEXi exhaust. Where does this feel into? I would say a high quality, rare, I would say if you're looking for a high quality rare part, but I would say it's not ricey at all. And it is very TRD slash, I would say even MagnaFlow, I think that's what it is, even very MagnaFlow sounding. It's not like the DNA exhaust where it's pretty noisy. It's not like an eBay exhaust. It's not like that where it's loud and kind of raspy and then it gets rattly after a while. This is definitely high quality. It's very TRD-ish in my opinion. The C1 exhaust is very similar to this. I would say they're all pretty similar. But if I were to take out the rest of if I did new headers and then did a catless and then no resonator, it would sound really good. So I might do that to build a little bit more horsepower NA. But other than that, make sure to hit the like button, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. I'll see you on the next video.